So, I wanted to give you a quick snippet of the work that I've been doing for the Art of Living nonprofit. So, I built a RAG agent to access a lot of the unstructured documents that they had tucked away in a document silo. And the reason I did this was because many a time I noticed that people here worked on some amazing projects and derived some really great insights and learnings, but often those insights and learnings weren't transferred to other people within the organization. And the information was also not transferred during transitions of leadership. And I thought by building a simple interface where people can interact with these documents, it would um, boost the efficiency of the organization and prevent situations where we make the same mistakes just by learning from the learning from the mistakes that we made in the past, just by referring to documents. So how I built this is using N8N. It's a nice automation framework and it allows you to build agents. And I'm using Supabase for my vector store. I'm using OpenAI for the large language model and Postgres to store the chat history. So right now, all the documents are stored in a Google Drive folder. And right now I have the work done by certain people working in the organization. And just using the chat interface, I can actually see the work that each person has done. So just for a quick test, I'll try and pull up the work that I myself have done. So let's say, hey, can you tell me about the work that Keshav Gopinath has done? And let's see what it pulls up. So you can see the live processing of the request. It goes, it retrieves the documents, it finds the most relevant embedding, and then produces a result. So it says Keshav Gopinath, a full stack developer, a computer science and physics major at University of British Columbia. So right now it's reading from a resume that I actually uploaded to the folder. So that's where it's getting all this data from. But yeah, this is kind of how it works. It's a quick MVP that I built to demonstrate the usefulness of such a tool to the organization and should also give you a snippet of the kind of work that I'm doing. I Once I've got the MVP more refined and know what exactly I want to build, I'm thinking I'll then move to a more robust programming framework like LangChain and implement more guardrails and deploy it hopefully.